continuing on with our fairy garden party, we obviously need a big centerpiece cake, and I'm gonna show you guys a simple, easy, fast way to make the cutest fairy garden cake. Welcome back to Shilly's Bakes Cakes. For this fairy garden cake, I'm gonna show you an easy, fun technique to make this super cute, you know, fairy cake, and it's just so happy and magical. I just have a crumb coated cake. Once again, we just have to crumb coat it. We don't have to do that beautiful final coat. We just have to crumb coat it for now. To create this fun ruffled look on this cake, I have tip 104, and it's just a flower petal tip. And you can see it's right here, 104, and it's just kind of a fun little tip. It's really versatile. Today, we're gonna make ruffles down the side of this cake using our 104 tip. I just got my pink buttercream, and this technique is fun. You just have to kind of get the rhythm of it. We're gonna start at the top of this cake, and we'll just use the top. So there's kind of like a higher and a lower part of this 104 tip. We're gonna use the higher tip right against the cake, and we are just gonna start going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, all the way down this cake until we have a nice, cute ruffle. And like I said, you guys can practice this technique. It's not really too hard once you get the hang of it, and we're just gonna keep doing that around this entire cake, you guys. Like I said, this is just a fun, easy, but really cute buttercream technique. So we're just gonna start at the top again, and we're just gonna go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, all the way till you get to the bottom of this cake, and just keep on going, guys, till we cover this whole cake in ruffles. Doesn't that look like the happiest little fairy garden cake? You don't have to do the ruffles on top of the cake because we're gonna just fill the top of the cake with all things fairy. I'm gonna add one of my edible flower suckers, add some of my fairy wand cookies right here. We're gonna add some of my mini macarons and some of my bigger macarons, and then we're gonna fill it in with all kinds of flowers because we are making a fairy garden magic cake. Fairy garden cake. There it is. We just covered this cake in all things fairy magic, and it's my favorite, the fun ruffle technique. Not only does it scream fairy, it's just easy. It's a simple, easy technique. You don't have to get those sharp edges. You just go crazy with that 104 tip and make pretty ruffles, and there you have it. You'll have a fairy cake in no time. Thanks so much for watching here at Shilly's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.